This is Daddy from Busy Daddy Cooks. Today we are making a garlic butter grilled cheese sandwich. And we are doing it two ways. One in an air fryer and the other in a pan. Let's start off with the garlic butter. I have here 30 grams of softened unsalted butter. To this, add some parsley. You can also use dry parsley here instead. Also add a clove of finely chopped garlic. You can also use 2 teaspoons of garlic powder here instead. Next, add a dash of salt and a dash of pepper. If you are using salted butter, you can omit the salt here. Now, give this a good mix. I have here 4 slices of white sandwich bread. 2 for the pan and 2 for the air fryer. Spread one side of the bread, that's the outside of the bread, with the garlic butter. I am using sliced cheddar cheese here, but feel free to use any cheese you prefer. You can also use grated cheese. I find that processed cheese singles tend to be a bit salty, so use 1 slice here if you are doing so. For the air fryer, set your air fryer at 180 degrees Celsius for 6 minutes. Your air fryer may be different from mine, so keep an eye on your sandwich. Check it after a few minutes to make sure that it does not burn. You can also pan fry this grilled cheese sandwich. In a pan over low heat, put in the sandwich. Take a peek under the sandwich after a minute or 2 to see if the bottom is sufficiently brown. Then, turn over to the other side and brown the other side as well. This is garlic butter grilled cheese sandwich.